So you just joined the free Pip to Pro community. Now what? First of all, congratulations. You're here because you actually want to understand trading. You want to stop guessing, stop following signals and some random videos. Here's what the free community is for. Number one, it's exposure to trading concepts. Number two, it's mindset shifts that's required before you start taking real risk. And number three, it's proof that learning to trade properly is possible for beginners. What it's not is step-by-step hand-holding and spoon-feeding, a full strategy breakdown and a shortcut for instant profits. That's important to understand early in your journey. Most people get stuck here. They consume free content, they feel motivated, but when it's time to actually start trading, they don't know where to start, what to follow, or how to stay consistent. Free content gives awareness, but structure will give results. And that's exactly why I created the Pip Guide. It's for people like you that don't want to be confused anymore and want a beginner-friendly breakdown of trading. You want one place to learn from instead of jumping in between YouTube videos, and a proper strong foundation to build on for long term. So if you're ready to move from watching to understanding, the Pip Guide is the next step. You can access it now in the link below.